Hello, people. My name is Agnes, and I'm here to tell you that recharge and get paid. Recharge and get paid is so real and very, very real. So this morning, while I was preparing for church service, my husband said, "Please, can you help me send Airtel airtime?" So I just took my phone, logged in to send him the airtime, right? And lo and behold, just wait and see what I saw. Hey. I opened, and what I saw was my balance was 514,000 naira. Meanwhile, I slept yesterday night with 14,000 naira something in my account, in my wallet. Then this morning, when I just wanted to send airtime of 2,000 naira, I saw 514. I could not believe it. Like, oh, how? Then I just went down a bit. Of course, I knew because I've been accepting the money. I just knew that, okay, that means recharge I get has paid me my 500,000 naira. And then I went down to check, and then there, bam, I saw it. 500,000 naira trip bonus for recharge and get paid. Oh, you needed to see the joy. I was so happy, and I said, wow, and somebody is there still thinking that this thing is a scam. This thing is, apart from the money you are making on a daily basis, apart from the money I'm making from the airtime I'm selling. Okay, so just look at it now. I saw this 500,000 naira, and then I sold 2,000 naira airtime to my husband, right? I sent him 2,000 naira airtime to his Airtel line, and I got 40 naira. You can see it. 40 naira was what I got. This is how I keep making money. Now, I immediately after this, I went to church. I just came back from church now after going to thank God, give thanks to God for blessing me with recharge and get paid, for even leading me. I don't even know what made me to see John Otis advert on Facebook. But God was the one that led me there. I saw it and I keyed in, and today, look at it. While in church, see all the monies that came in. 1 naira, 75 kobo, 1 naira, 75 kobo, 70 kobo, 1 naira, 75 kobo, 70 kobo, 35 kobo. You will sit down there and think that this kobo is nothing. But I tell you, at the end of the day, what I make on a daily basis is not, you know, some of you divide your salary, what you are getting at the end of the month, by this, you don't make what I make in a day. You are still there. I've been shouting this thing. Do recharge and get paid. You think that you are too big to do it. Or you cannot do this kobo business. Hey, my people. This is just the smallest amount I'm going to make. Because I believe that if this business can pay me 500,000 naira today in cash, it can pay me 50 million naira in the future. And I am out for it. I never even start. So if you are here and you are still thinking, dreaming that this woman has been talking is a lie, sorry, I'm going to enjoy my 500,000 naira. And this is just the beginning. More are coming on the way. I'm almost going to my 2 million naira. You go sit down there with your eyes open. You go hear them. If you will not join me, you will congratulate me at least. Thank you. Join me. Now so I take starter with 5,000 naira. Today I have been paid 500,000 naira. What are you waiting for, my people? If you are already my partner, if you are already joined and you are on my team, my people, let's work. If they can pay me, they will pay you. Don't be discouraged. Don't feel bad. Don't feel sad. Don't be angry when they tell you no. A lot of people will tell you no, but don't give up. Continue. After 9, no, you will get 1 year. That 1 year will be the one to take you to where you want to be. Don't give up. If you are not yet join, we'll only be telling you join. It is your own decision. to take, to join or not, is your decision. Oh, my 500,000 naira. Let me dance it, please. Oh, praise the Lord. Lord, I appreciate you. I thank you. Thank you, John Oti. God will bless you for posting that thing on Facebook or for me to see. And I have seen, and I have come, and I have just started, because I'm not going to stop anytime soon. God bless Richard and get you. God bless Mr. Osita for thinking to do something like this. God bless you. God bless you. This 500,000 naira will lay the foundation. The main building is coming. Sit down and be watching. Be imagining things in your head and be calling this business a scam. For your eyes, things will come past you. Later, and regret will be your name. Thank you. Join now. When you still have the chance. Later, you go to pursue us up and down. Please register me. Now, we are the ones asking you to come and register. Just register. Oh, what a lovely Sunday. What a lovely Sunday. Thank you, my husband. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for not saying, Madam, stop posting. Thank you for not saying, you can keep your phone and sleep. No. Leave me these phone things and concentrate on my children. I do all of those things and I still make money from Richard and get paid. Thank you, my husband, for no. In short, he encourages me. He tells me, after 2 days, he knows in my husband, hey, Madam, what is happening? You're no longer posting on Facebook. God bless you, my husband. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you, my children, for understanding with money. Even when my son, whenever mommy is on phone, he will say, leave mommy is doing business. He knows about Richard and get paid. I thank God for my family. Thank you for Richard and get paid. Thank you for all, in short, all my downlines. God will continue to bless you. I just want you to wake up. I just want you to wake up. If they can do it for me, they will do it for you. Wake up. Whatever slumber you are in, wake up. This thing is real. See my 500,000 naira in my hand this morning. You can do it too. I'll be waiting for you at the top. We will reach there together. But only when you mean it and you are serious and you really need it. What is that thing that made you join this business? I don't like poverty. I don't like it. And I believe that with this, I can do away with poverty in my life. Thank you. I have just started. Recharge and get paid. God bless you. God bless you, Mr. Osita. God bless you. God bless you more. Thank you for keeping your promise. You said when I qualify, you will pay me. And I have qualified and you have paid me. What else do I need? What other proof do I need? And somebody is out there and still not believing in this business. Oh, Agnes. God bless you. Well done. If nobody will greet you, you greet yourself, Agnes. Agnes, well done. You've done it. Well done. Oh, yeah, fire run. Fire run.